It all down for us. We appreciate it. Tomorrow marks the 14th anniversary of one of the worst tragedies in U.S. history. Of course, we're talking about the attack on the World Trade Centers, the Twin Towers. Today, a local man is teaching kids about 9/11. It is a day he thinks about every single day. John Napolitano lost his son, John Jr., that very day. His son was a firefighter in New York City, and he ran into one of the Twin Towers while a lot of people were running away to safety. Now, John Sr. is a teacher at Bright Futures Academy in North Palm Beach. Every year, he teaches his students about how our country was affected on September 11th. This year, he's teaching students who weren't even born when that tragedy happened.
They're going to see it on TV. They're going to see the planes hit the Pentagon. They're going to see the planes hit the towers. They're going to see the towers come down. So it's as real to them as it was to us.
John says this is really a chance to teach students about the heroes from that day, honoring the ones who passed away as well as the ones who survived.